Has the crypto market finally entered and confirmed a bull market? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at our favorite cryptocurrencies: Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Matic. So there's a lot of things happening that I need to share with you, and you need to stay around until the very end because it's very important, but it's going to be short, sweet, and get to the point. So before we get into the video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this video as I do get to my comments. Now, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, it's Miles here. It's a pleasure to have you here, but what we are seeing is cryptocurrencies are continuing to pump and break highs. This is a very important thing. Bitcoin is leading the market, Ethereum is leading the market, but something very important happened today. And Bitcoin finally broke the high. Bitcoin has been trapped for quite some time in this lower range here. And as we can see, it's been holding cryptocurrencies down. Every time we try to come up, we get rejected. And guess what? Today, we finally broke this resistance level, which is absolutely massive and is a strong indication that further upside is likely for all cryptocurrencies, but that we might actually be entering into a bull market, or at least seeing a very big bounce in the midst of this bearish market where we could get a big move up and then continue to go down. Some are speculating that, but I do believe personally, my opinion is that we have reached the bottom here and we're going to continue to move up and break all-time highs for most cryptocurrencies. That's my opinion. It's not financial advice. So we're seeing Bitcoin make these moves. Ethereum and the altcoins have been making very big moves as well. As Ethereum is continuing to break highs, Ethereum has exited its bearish market. Its bear market is continuing to make higher highs and higher lows. And based on the way Ethereum is forming, what it's been doing is it just pumps, it trades sideways, and then it pumps again, trades sideways, and just pumps about 10%. And it keeps doing this over and over. And as we can see, Dogecoin is following. Shiba Inu pumped extremely hard today, and this is very exciting. Now, what we can see this week is there's not any data that's going to be coming out. No interest rates, no inflation news. None of that's necessarily going to be happening this week. All of what we are having this week is earnings for big companies. So today, Apple had its earnings. It was bad, and that brought the S&P down, which brought stocks down, which brought cryptos down. That's why we saw a little bit of a dip today, and we're still super green. So that's why we saw some volatility this afternoon. So it's still earnings week. So there's going to be some earnings for stocks, which are going to cause a little bit of volatility, but nothing to be concerned about as cryptocurrencies are beginning to recover. They're looking very bullish, and I believe that we are going to be heading up here very soon. So it's super exciting. So look at this cryptocurrency market. We finally are back up to $1 trillion market cap ahead of the Ethereum merge. So very interesting. The Ethereum merge is taking place, and this is the main factor that's actually pushing up cryptocurrencies despite any bearish news. We've been having a lot of bearish news economically last week, and we're seeing cryptos rally because of that, actually, and primarily because of the Ethereum merge. It is one key catalyst that is driving the crypto market, and the Ethereum merge is going to be taking place mid of September. So from now into mid-September is going to be super exciting for crypto holders, and probably much after that. And we are going to be seeing some big pumps, in my opinion. I do think that it's very possible, to give my opinion, that Ethereum by mid-September, if the merge is officially confirmed by mid-September, we could see Ethereum $2,500 to $3,000. That's kind of my price target for Ethereum here in the next couple of months. We could see Bitcoin. If Ethereum is hitting those types of numbers, we could see Bitcoin $32,000, $34,000 by mid-September, maybe higher, maybe much higher. And for a lot of altcoins, they're probably going to far outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. The merge trade has begun. So what we are seeing, in addition to what I've already told you, is that people are beginning to price in and get excited and anticipate the Ethereum merge. And that's why we're seeing cryptos and things go up right now. So that's kind of one of the main catalysts that's happening. But we are also seeing, because of inflation around the world, because the US is about to print more money, we're seeing cryptocurrencies go up again. It's going to bring more liquidity into the crypto markets. It's actually a bullish event. Now, there's certain periods where inflation is good for cryptos, and there's certain periods where it's good for cryptos, but it's actually going to pull cryptos down because of how certain markets are going to be pulling cryptos down. So that's why we are seeing, people are saying, well, inflation is good for cryptos, but at the same time it's pulling them down, is because some of the big factors that are actually driving crypto and liquidity into crypto is bearish, and that affects cryptos in that way. But based on pure technical analysis, what we are seeing is cryptos are breaking out and they are setting up. Now, we've had a lot of green here, do expect a pullback probably here soon. Do not be surprised if you see a pullback, a significant pullback. It is likely to happen. Probably due for one at any point, but cryptocurrencies just continue, especially the last several days, and Ethereum continue to break out and break highs. So it's getting very exciting. And cryptos are not just pumping 10%, 5%. Cryptos, like we have Matic. I put a buy alert out for Matic in the Patreon last night, and people made 30% in just a couple of hours. This thing is up 200% in just a few days, honestly. We have Quant. This thing is going insane. A lot of cryptos guys are setting up, and the bull run is officially starting. In my opinion, I do believe that we have started the bull run when cryptos bottomed out, especially with the Pi cycle indicator that I've been telling you all for the past several weeks. And guess what? As soon as that indicator came up, cryptos have only gone up ever since. If you want more info on that, just watch my videos last week. Now, if you guys want to get access to the most profitable crypto traders in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon tier 3. I highly recommend it, where you can get access to all the buy alerts, and you can get access to the private trading and investment group that I'm very active in, where you can ask me questions all the time. Stop loss, when to enter, when to exit. We have all that information for you. We're making crazy gains every week here in the Patreon, especially in tier 3. Now, make sure if you are trading the markets to use the best platform, which is Bybit. And if you use the link in my video description to sign up, they give you a $4,000 deposit bonus. And one more thing, guys, I'm launching the pre-sale right now for my crypto course and mentoring program. It's going to be 1 whole year. I'm going to teach you, along with my course and mentoring program, every single week, where we have a live session, how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrency. If you are interested in that, go ahead and apply with the link in my video description, and I will see you all later. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Subscribe with notifications on, and share this video with at least one friend, family member on Twitter or on social media. Thank you all so much. Have a great night.